Now, we just talked about our primary colors. And on our color wheel, the first thing we're going to do, up at the top, you need to write your name. So I'm going to put my name up at the top. What do I put with my name? Maddox, what do I put with my name? My class. So first grade, we're Morris. Now, at the bottom, what are we going to write down here? It says the primary colors are, and we're going to write the three primaries: red, yellow, and blue. So there are 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, for 3 primary colors. I want you to write red, yellow, and blue. Now, Logan, now, the next thing we're going to do is paint them in. So I'm going to start with my lightest color, which is yellow. If you find a color that has mixing in it, see how there's clean yellow over here? It's too bad that somebody got other colors into it, but if we dip our brush just in the yellow part, we should be able to paint our top circle yellow. So I'm just going to paint it in and get the yellow on our circle.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
If I'm switching colors, what do I do next? Yeah, wash your brush out. So you should have a water cup. And when I rinse my brush out, I'm just going to act like I'm painting on the bottom of my cup. Rinse, rinse, rinse. And then what do I do?
Dry it.
Yeah, I'm going to blot it. Dry it off. Because I don't want all that water to go into my other colors of paint. So now I'm going to get my red, and I'll do blue in just a minute. So I'm going to get red and paint it. Look at the triangle. Do you see the triangle here? The triangle, Carson, the triangle is what connects our primary colors. So I'm going to paint the red in. Fill in the circle. I got a little extra paint, so I'm going to wipe it back in there. Rinse out my brush again.
Ooh, that's wet.
And look do you see there's still a little paint in there? So I need to rinse my brush a little bit more and wipe it off on my paper towel. Make sure it's clean and dry. So my last primary. What's my last primary? Blue. So I'm going to paint in. Look again, they're connected by a triangle. The primary colors are connected by the triangle. So I'm going to paint the circle in, rinse my brush, and then where do we put our papers? Very good, on the drying rack. Then make sure that your brush is rinsed out. Brush is rinsed out. And your name is on your paper, and put your paper on the drying rack. Please be sure to put blue lids back on blue, red lids back on your red, and yellow lids back on your yellow. And then we'll put the paint trays back on the counter. When you dump out your water cups, be sure to dump it without letting it spill everywhere. Dump it carefully.
And we are done.